I've never seen that crane before. OTIS-Fensom elevator.
Toronto, Canada.
This is so cool.
Beautiful. And we'll watch them go.
All the dolphins. Sorry, it was just like elevators. Running it so we can get a video.
Look at that. The brake system underneath it.
That is so cool. Sorry about that.
Okay.
That was cool.
Thank you, sir. No problem.